Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making a turmeric mask. So if you're new here, then you probably wouldn't know that I have suffered from acne. I do have acne prone skin, so I'm always trying different things to help better my skin. And turmeric is one of the things that I used to love using before I got pregnant. And so I fell off during my pregnancy and after my pregnancy. But tonight we're going to go and visit Old Faithful. Okay, so to give y'all a little backstory and a few benefits on turmeric and why people love it so much. Turmeric helps brighten the skin, which is like one of the first things that people's mind go to when they think of turmeric. It is a skin brightener. So if you have acne scars, in which I have plenty, if you have acne scars, then turmeric can help aid in that. It also fights acne. It helps calm acne down. It's anti-inflammatory. It's antibacterial. It just has a lot of antioxidant properties to it. So turmeric is a really big skincare go-to. So without further ado, let's get into this turmeric mask tutorial. Okay, so you're gonna need a plastic bowl like this. This is the bowl that I use to make all of my face masks in. As you can see, it's been well loved, but it's a tried and true, Old Faithful. So first thing first, you're gonna go in with this Aztec clay mask. It is known to be the world's most powerful mask. So I'm just going to take a few little spoonfuls. Also, you do need a plastic spoon. So this is what I use. Also, it is well loved. And it also has some turmeric on it already from one of my old masks that I've made. So I'm just going to do like 4 little scoops. So this is what it's looking like so far. Then we're going to go in with some turmeric. Alright, so you can use whatever kind of turmeric you want. This is organic turmeric. And I'm just going to go in with 1 little spoonful. Also, turmeric stains clothes really badly, so please make sure you're being very careful when making your turmeric mask. All right, the next thing we're gonna have is apple cider vinegar, and you're gonna use the apple cider vinegar with the mother. Make sure you shake it up really good. And I'm just gonna put like a little capful. Capful number 1, capful number 2. And then you start to mix. Mix, mix, mix. So another thing that I like to put in my face mask is tea tree oil. So you can use whatever kind of tea tree oil you want, but this is the kind that I use. A few benefits of tea tree oil is that tea tree oil helps to fight acne. I just put a couple of drops. I'm gonna mix this in to my mask. It helps to unclog pores. It reduces redness and swelling in the skin. It's also anti-inflammatory. It helps to calm irritated skin. And it helps to reduce the swelling of active acne breakout. And also, just like the turmeric, it helps to brighten your skin and brighten up those dark spots on your skin. You're also gonna need a brush So this is the brush that I use to apply my face mask. You can use an old foundation brush if your choice. Now I'm going to take my mask and I'm going to just start to apply it. So your mask should always be like a creamy consistency. And I would suggest using this mask like once a week or once every other week. And also, I forgot to add that I have already cleansed my skin. I did one cleansing with an oil cleanser just to kind of get some of the initial gunk off of my skin, out of my pores. This mask is going to do a very deep cleansing to my skin. So I'm going to let this mask sit on my skin and do its thing until it dries. The thing about the Aztec mask is the way you know that it's dry and it's ready to be washed off is, first of all, it's going to dry. It's going to dry very hard on your skin, and it's going to start to kind of pulsate on your skin. So when it starts to do that, then you know that, hey, it's time to wash her off. And y'all, I love doing masks like this because not only is it good for your skin, but it's also a good form of self-care. And like I always say over here, y'all, self-care is not selfish. And on top of that, y'all, I love using stuff from the earth. I believe that God has given us everything that we need to thrive in this life from the earth. And turmeric is from the earth, it's natural. And I remember I saw a TikTok of somebody saying that turmeric isn't good for your skin and all of that. But it's like, how is that the truth? How is that true when turmeric comes from the earth? Like, how is that true? I just don't believe that. Turmeric comes from the earth. And I believe if used properly, it can heal your skin. Just like when it comes to anything that's natural, you have to use it properly. Like, if you abuse it, then no, it's not gonna be beneficial to your skin. But if you're using it properly, then it will be beneficial. I'm just gonna bring this down onto the bridge of my nose and apply this. Let me take my thumbnail picture. Alright, y'all. I'm going to let this sit on my face for a few minutes and then I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So the way you can tell that this is ready to come off is going to start looking like this. Very chipped and very dry. Alright, so this is ready to come off. The mask is stiff on my face, in case y'all have not noticed. It's very difficult for me to talk, so let's go ahead and wash this off. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, my face is soaking wet. I'm gonna do another cleanse with my La Roche-Posay. I keep it in this little bottle, but I'm going to do a second cleanse to make sure I get all the turmeric off my skin because I don't want a yellow cast on my face and the turmeric staining my bed sheets. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a second cleanse. Alright, y'all, now that I got the turmeric mask off my face, now it's time for me to go ahead and do my regular skincare. So I'm first gonna go in with my Snail Mucin by CosRx. So since I did a face mask, I always like to go in with a really good medicated moisturizer. So I'm going to use the La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. This has shea butter, niacinamide, and ceramide 3 in it. So this is what it's looking like. And I always like to mix it with some castor oil, just a little bit of castor oil. So I'm going to first go in with a little bit of castor oil underneath my eyes. And this is a really thick moisturizer. I like the consistency of it. I just put a little drop of castor oil in with my moisturizer. And last but definitely not least, I like to go in with my Shea Moisture Shea Butter. I've used this a lot. So I just get a little bit. This should do the trick. And I just rub this into my skin. And I heard somebody say that shea butter clogs the pores. It don't clog my pores. I'm sorry, it don't. It might clog other people's pores, but it don't clog mine. And I love the glow that shea butter leaves. Now the little specks of shea butter, I'm not a fan of that at all. But the glow, y'all, look at the glow my skin now has. Look at the glow. I love the results of the shea butter and just the moisturizers in general on my skin. Like, it leaves my skin so hydrated, feeling so good. I just love it. And as a final touch to my skincare that I do every night, I just take a little bit of shea butter and I just rub some on my lips. Just to moisturize. And I top that off with my Vaseline. So there you have it, y'all. My lips is nice and hydrated. My skin is nice and hydrated. It feels so clean, and personally I just feel overall so good because I just did something kind for myself by giving myself a nice relaxing face mask. I love it. Self-care is not selfish. All right, this is a reminder for you to do something kind to yourself and for yourself this week if you haven't already. All right, so that's all I have for y'all this week. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you got some type of value out of it. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so that you can keep getting content just like this. May God bless you. May He keep you. May His face shine upon you and give you peace. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.